Whoa. Go back. Go back.
System. To provide the most consistent warning service possible.
That looks hella creepy.
Activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of...
Whoops. And that was hella creepy from 7-2. So I guess now they take them.
NWR Radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with the routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NWR Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The extended forecast